Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10a, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use something like a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap around it. If it does, you can just always cut it off. Now, I also want to point out that typically you wouldn't be looking for something as fancy looking as this. This actually came with a budget device. You'll be looking for something like this, the crappy little piece of metal. Anyway, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located on the side of the device, upper left side to be more precise, and just find a little insert here, which is part of this cutout, and then push the pin in. And when you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. So we're gonna grab it, place it down with the chip side upwards like so. It should be laying flush on the tray, as you can see. Now I do want to also give a little bit of a heads up maybe. I'm uncertain if this will be the case, but from what I've heard, there are some brands of devices in US that no longer have SIM trays, such as, for instance, iPhones. Now, I don't live there, so I cannot vouch for that. But if this device doesn't have a tray for you right here, then that means that it only accepts eSIM. I'm going to show you where you can find eSIM options as well. But first, let's insert that card, which will automatically start to function and prompts me to enter my SIM card pin. When I do so, it will unlock it and activate it. So that's really all you would need to do with a physical card. Now, for the eSIM purposes, you would navigate into settings, and I believe it's going to be in network and Ethernet and SIMs. Add SIM, and here you can select setup in eSIM. One thing to keep in mind, for setting up eSIM, you do need to have internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile network. For mobile network, obviously that would imply that you also need to have a SIM card already in. But if you just use eSIM, you can just connect to your Wi-Fi, and you can then add your eSIM. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.